Today we're going to be making an American classic, scrambled eggs. First, you need some eggs. You can either buy them at the grocery store, or if you have your own chicken, have your chicken lay some eggs.
I have a question.
I'm pretty sure eggs don't talk, so this is weird.
I'm a talking egg.
Okay, what's your question?
Do eggs come first or chickens come first?
Well, chickens lay eggs, but chickens also hatch from eggs.
So does the egg or chicken come first?
I don't know, this is a cooking video. Okay, moving on. We're gonna crack a few eggs in a bowl. And if you don't like the yolk, you can just toss it away.
That's rude. Yolks are the best. No, we are better. No, we are. We are.
Okay, stop fighting, would ya? Great, now we can mix the egg. Whee! Next, take a pan and add some olive oil. Now once the pan is hot enough, pour the eggs in. After a few minutes, you're done. Put it on a plate and serve it to your guests. Yum! Don't forget to subscribe.